It was a bright Saturday morning, and Mia decided to visit the local farmer's market. She loved the market's vibrant colors, the smell of fresh fruits, and the lively atmosphere. As she strolled through the stalls, she saw vendors selling apples, oranges, bananas, and vegetables of all kinds. At one stall, Mia stopped to buy some strawberries. She asked the vendor, "How much are these strawberries?" The vendor replied, $2 per box. Mia smiled and said, "I'll take 2 boxes, please." Next, she walked to a stall selling honey. She tasted a small sample and said, "This honey is delicious." "Where is it from?" The vendor proudly said, "It's local, from bees on our farm just 5 miles away." Mia bought a jar of honey and thanked the vendor. As she continued exploring, she noticed a stand with handmade soaps. The scents of lavender and mint caught her attention. She asked the seller, "Are these soaps natural?" The seller nodded and explained, "Yes, they're made with natural oils and herbs." Mia picked 2 soaps as gifts for her friends. After spending an hour at the market, Mia's basket was full of fresh produce, honey, and soaps. She felt happy supporting local farmers and enjoying such a lively experience. Now it's quiz time. Question 1. What did Mia buy first at the market? A. Honey, B. Soap, C. Strawberries, D. Apples. Answer, C. Strawberries. Question 2. How much was one box of strawberries? A. $1, B. $2, C. $3, D. $4. Answer, B. $2. Question 3. Where was the honey produced? A. From a local farm, B. From another city, C. From a shop, D. From imported bees. Answer, A. From a local farm. Question 4. What scents did the handmade soaps have? A. Lemon and rose, B. Lavender and mint, C. Orange and pine, D. Vanilla and coconut. Answer, B. Lavender and mint. Question 5. How did Mia feel after visiting the market? A. Bored, B. Tired, C. Happy, D. Confused. Answer, C. Happy.